Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Module 4. I hope you are enjoying this course as much as I am enjoying reading all of your discussions and assignments and takeaways from our course materials, and of course from the learning that is happening among this whole group. So we launch into Module 4, and Module 4 is focused around communication competence. So our guiding questions for Module 4 include: what is communication competence as it relates to organizations? How does communication competence propel or derail the vision and goals of an organization? What are your communication strengths and areas of improvement? What communication areas does your organization excel at, and which are areas in need of improvement? And finally, what are the results of effective organizational communication? Our learning objectives for this module include assessing your communication competence as well as the effectiveness of the communication in your organization. So we're not only going to look at our organization, but we're going to look at the individual and most specifically that leader of the organization. Very impactful. The communication skills are probably hands down one of the most important skills that you can continually develop within yourself and then within your organization. Makes a world of difference, particularly when navigating change. So we are going to have the opportunity to read several articles around communication and competence, and then having the opportunity to do some self-reflection on how we view our own communication skills and those organization communication protocols and procedures, and how we see that happening in our current organization. And of course, you always want to be thinking of, in your ideal leadership role, how will you be applying the information that you're learning in our course? You should have, at this point, we should be finished up with Decisive and be launching into, if you haven't already started, with your book choice book. Remember to please announce that book in your discussion post. That should have happened. If not, please make sure that is publicly known. It makes for richer discussion and connections when everyone is aware of what other colleagues are reading. I would recommend that you have, by the end of this week, try to have about a third or more of your book choice completed. And that will help you as we continue through the course and help to set you up for a successful Module 6, where we are going to launch into and share more about our book choice book. The discussion for this week and for next is going to really focus on decision making as a process. Oftentimes we don't really think too deeply about decisions. We're learning, though, through this course that it can make a huge difference if we apply certain strategies and add certain filters to the decisions that we make. There is a way to make better decisions, and it may not be a decision that can be transferred. I do believe that this is a very personal process that folks need to develop in a way that works best for them. So our discussion will be focused on that, and our assignment will be to describe in more detail your personal communication strengths and areas of need for improvement, and then also looking through that same strengths and needs lens for your organization. I hope all of you enjoy this module, and of course, if you have any questions or concerns, please continue to reach out through email. Thank you. Have a great week.